All right, guys, out running errands in the Boss with Maddox. Maddox, what you got there?
Yeah.
What is that?
A boss.
Another Boss. Found another Boss at Hobby Lobby. 40% off, man. I'm always gonna buy them. They're 40% off. Buy them all. That way I got them for the grandkids and kids, and as they grow up, as they go through them. Got the Boss over there. And the other big thing we did is we picked up a whole bunch of t-shirts to make some Brailsford's Ride shirts. So that should be exciting. Let's get in the Boss. We got some more stuff to talk about. All right, guys, I'm gonna try and talk and drive the best I can here. Shut the window. All right, so last weekend had a major downpour right when I planned to do Maddox's birthday parade. Despite all that, it was a major success. We had 45 cars come out, I believe, and I can't thank all those guys enough. Local Jacksonville, North Carolina car community, thank you very much for supporting. He had a blast. He was super excited, and he was talking about it for, he's been talking about it all week. So that was great to see. Really appreciate it, you guys. However, with the good comes some bad, apparently. There was a, oh, don't hit me, please. There was a Karen, we're gonna call her Karen, just like, who posted, I shared the video out to the local HOA Facebook page, and a lady said, the fact that this didn't go by my house is the fact that this didn't come to my neighborhood, meaning her part of the neighborhood, is inexcusable at this point. I'm like, is she joking? Like, is she serious? Or is she joking? Like, I can't tell. And so I said, are you being serious? And I said, like, I planned this out weeks in advance. I posted notice of the planned route. This was for my son's birthday, first of all. It wasn't for the whole neighborhood. And so my wife commented, she's like, really? Question mark, question mark? And this lady commented back, really? And I was like, man, what is wrong with some people? Like, it obviously was for a 4-year-old boy. The video's titled such. I didn't plan it for the whole neighborhood. What do you think I'm gonna do? Take a poll of every house, be like, hey, just wanna make sure I hit the route through everybody's house. Like, this was for my kid, but I wanna make sure everybody's included in this inclusive culture we're moving to. Man, it really rubbed me the wrong way, but it is what it is. Local neighbors kind of, took my back, so I appreciate that. But the video, it was great time. We all had a great time despite the rain. The car got wet, but you know what? As my buddy Mike in that 65 Corvette said, it's not butter, it's not gonna melt. So I greatly appreciate all those guys who came out. So we went out, we just got out to Hobby Lobby, got another model, which is we're gonna hold on to until they break one. Also picked up some shirts to make some Brailsford Ride shirts. So if you're interested in a shirt, reach out to me and we'll work something out and we'll get one out to you guys. All right, but today I think the plan is, if we can, we're gonna go to the grease spot meet, and I'll bring it back to you guys here in a second if we go. All right, guys, so we're on our way to to the grease spot meet again. Got a couple things to talk about on the way there. Finally was ready to pull the trigger for the rest of my drivetrain setup. I'm gonna be getting a BMR safety loop coupled with a Ford one-piece drive shaft to go with the Calimer Stage 3. The reason you guys haven't heard me talk about it lately is because the one-piece drive shafts are sold out and on back order right now. So I guess I'm just gonna put my order in and wait, and we'll see what happens. I mean, I don't know what else I can do other than order and wait. So the same problem everybody's having around the country, and hopefully I can get one in the next few weeks, I guess. But it's not looking good to get it on before my little boy is born. So we'll see what happens, guys. But either way, we'll be set up and ready to go for when we are able to install it. So that's a nice positive. We got some other news regards to the MGB. I think I solved the problem and why it's not running right. And I know this is a mostly Mustang crowd here for this video, but the MGB is an important part of my channel, and it's a float issue. Basically, I was sent the wrong part, and so it didn't work on the side I put it on. And that was the leading cause of all my problems. So Moss, the company I ordered from, they're making it right and they're sending me the right part. And now I'm just playing the waiting game for it to show up so I can install it. So can't wait for it to get here and get that car running and get some MGB content on the channel, because I do know I still have an MGB crowd on board, and I definitely want to bring you guys some content here. Alright everybody, we're here at the grease spot with the Stang gang over here. Got the boys getting some ice cream. How's that ice cream? Mopar, no car, or all Ford, but I like them all. And these Mopars are pretty sweet. We do like the custom touches on this one. It's got a Betty Boop on the side. I actually really like that little logo. Nice, unique touch. Layton, what's your favorite car so far?
I like the Supra.
Like the Supra? You mean Supra? Like the Supra. So what's your favorite car?
Yeah.
This one?
What about the
says that's an Autobot car because of the doors.
look.
What's this one, Maddox?
That one.
The real RTR Mustang? It says it's RTR.
That Mustang. There's a Mustang there.
Yeah, that's a Mustang. What cars?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I know he's got the little.
Stay late. They've got two super gorgeous Ford F1s. Check these things out, man. This black one's nice, but look at that red. F100, sorry. That red is unbelievable.
I love that.
You love that? That's good.
I get
Look at this thing, man.
I get it.
No, it's not ours. What you doing, Maddox? You driving? Yeah, you fast? Is your car fast? How fast?
Your boss.
My boss is fast?
Mine.
Man, I've got most of the stuff on the car I want. The only thing I'm still looking for, are the Kooks side pipes. I still want a set of those. And then I'm thinking about changing the axle backs. But other than that, man, I love the way the car's sitting right now. Definitely is, it's almost there. And once I get the transmission parts, we should be good to go. All right, well, I couldn't do the outro at the event because there's music playing. So you heard today, we talked about it. We talked about the back order of Ford parts, so I have to wait for my drive shaft a little bit. We'll go ahead and get that ordered here soon. Just when it comes in is when it comes in. So we'll go ahead and take care of that. MGB is on a positive trend. We should be getting that here running soon. Hopefully that'll be in the next few videos. Boys, you guys have fun? You like the ice cream? Was the ice cream good? All right, good. They enjoyed the ice cream. It was good, and it was nice hanging out with the Stang Gang again. Always love seeing those guys. Big, they were big supporters of Maddox's party. And again, everybody who came, appreciate you coming.
I drove the rain for my birthday.
Yeah, he said thank you for driving in the rain for his birthday. Couldn't have done it without you guys. Made it a great success despite the thunderstorm that we went through. All right, buddy, that's gonna do it for today's video. Please click like, subscribe down below if you enjoyed this video. If you didn't like it, click that dislike button. No big deal. But I'll talk to you guys. See you guys next time on Brailsford's Ride. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.